Coming up. Oh shit, and a Divo. And another one. Murcielago, and it looks like Vin Diesel on The Rock had a baby. Let's go. Yeah, damn. One Cobra. And another one. Bugatti Chiron, first one. Let's see if we get the rest. So yeah, pretty much we were an hour away and we heard there's like 10 or 11 Bugattis here, so we're gonna go try to find most of them. I think a few left already. Okay, SuperSport 300. Coming up. Oh shit, and a Divo. And another one. Wide body, I guess Liberty Walk R35 GTR. Now at the slide right here, we see another 300 SuperSports. Let's see this. Coming up right now. Right there, I can see the orange. Oh, another one, SuperSports. And 300. Oh, here they are. Another one. Oh, this white one looks incredible. SuperSports. And another one. There they go again. And the white one is so fucking nice. So there's a guy walking a fucking pony in Beverly Hills. That's a spot. What the hell? That is the best thing I've seen all week. Ferrari F8 and a GT3 RS across the street. Walking down the street, didn't even realize A12 comp. So we're walking around looking for the A12 comp, and Tyler said watch it be a Rite Aid, and there it is. Crazy spec actually, like a matte silverish gray, blue stripes, painted shields. Honestly, way better than just seeing like a regular red one. So the interior almost looks like an SB3 type of seat. It's very bright blue, painted shields, carbon wheels. Everything is just the right spec on this car. Pretty awesome that we actually did manage to find it again, because pretty much creeped up on us. We noticed it last second, but man, what a car. But it's your typical pharmacy parking lot spots. A12 comp. So good. The V12. Lamborghini Countach. SL. Random SVJ with some custom hood.
GT3 too? That's 10 out of 10.
What is it?
10 out of 10.
The 675 LT Spider we saw yesterday is right here. The dark blue, silver wheels, the brown interior, great spec. But Sabre and a few other cars pulling out, so we're gonna go to the corner and see them leaving. Such a good spec on this car. And here's a Sabre pulling out right there. The Huayras Roadster behind it. The second Huayras Roadster coming. Look at this lineup right here. Crazy. wire coupe. Wouldn't be bad to be stuck at this light. That's a great color on the SL63. MC20 and an MC12 spec. MC20 is a great car, but I'm sorry, buddy, it's not an MC12.
Yeah.
According to Alex, this is paint, orange G-Wagon, 550. Wide body Cullinan, very LA. Pink Cullinan at the light. I believe it is paint, so I wonder how the resale value for that is going to be. I don't know if it's me or if it's the wheels, but the wheels look really small and kind of not that good, I guess, because every Cullinan has different wheels. That was a loud Murcielago. Ferrari A12. Can't tell if it's a GTS. I think it's a super fast. Yeah. Yeah, super fast A12. Oh my god. So this from the back looks like a GTR if you're a rookie, but that's not a GTR. That doesn't sound healthy. It's got like a fake Brabus badge. It's a regular GT. SLS. The most baller Maybach of them all is the Maybach van. See so many of them around here. And we got a Ferrari F8 Spoke. That was a good spec. And two G-Wagons. Probably the same one as before, but the new 4x4 squared is 63s.
No, that's green.
Oh, okay, so I guess it's a different
no,
one.
Sorry, I'm not green.
No, yeah. We saw this one last year, but there's a TVR driving right there on British plates, which makes me wonder if it's actually here from the UK or if the guy just put UK plates on it because it's been here for a year. Yeah, so a few days ago when we were here, VTM that owns the Sabre and the Pagani's and stuff, found out I've never had Mountain Dew. So today we got, I don't know how many flavors of Mountain Dew, we're gonna try them, I think 3. It's like Sprite and Dr. Pepper put together. I don't know, like, I think, I don't fucking know, but.
Yeah, your mouth is expired, dog.
Okay, so we're taking the Sabre literally just across the street to do a little photo shoot, but I'm gonna hop in. Let's pop the door open. Be careful not to hit anything. We're clear, let's hop in. So we're in the 1 of 15 Sabre with the windows that just go half down just like the Senna, but man, this car's so rare. And this is probably the highest mileage McLaren Sabre in the world. Nobody else really drives them, so this one actually gets driven about 5,600 kilometers or miles? Miles. I don't know.
Kilometers. It's American.
5,600 miles on a car that's about 2 years old at this point.
2 or 3.
I don't think it's 3.
It's his third car week. It's 3.
Yeah, but 21, 22, 23, so that's 2 years. But just backing into the spot, the car looks crazy. Okay, so getting out of the Sabre, look at all the blue carbon everywhere. Well, let's step out of it. Okay, so he is just lowering it right now to race mode, so it looks better for the photos. Less clearance for the wheels. Yeah, the 1 of 15, kind of crazier looking version of the Senna. Way more rare. These are going to disappear soon. Right now they're still out in car shows and stuff because they're pretty new, but you're not going to see them around for much longer. They're going to go into private collections. This one at least is going to keep getting driven. It's going to get a ton of miles on it. It's going to make sure this car can survive road trips, track days, everything. And you know, you can see the front. Stefan light painting right now, but the front looks crazy. But here's the crazier part. Stefan's lighting it up is the back. All the arrows, so much more aggressive than a Senna. Whereas a Senna is already probably the most aggressive aerodynamics you'll see on a car. This just takes it to a whole new level. Full carbon for this kind of bottom of the car, and then the crazy orange paint on the top. Okay, so we're trying to find how to open the gas cap because we were challenged to find it because apparently it's a cool feature and we have no idea where the button is. So, yeah. So it only took like 20 minutes before Jeff told us where it is, but it is right here. And now the car needs cleaning because we kept on trying to figure it out, but yeah, I don't know, complicated car. So whenever you buy your McLaren Sabre, you know how to put in gas. Okay, so they're heading back. We will see them again in Monterey in a few days. That's a good looking car.